Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you something very interesting, which is how to sue Power BI. Now, when it sounds like a two-video tutorial telling you about this, it doesn't sound real, but I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. First of all, Power BI is a tool from Microsoft that generally generates analytics and basically can create a dashboard for you to view everything about your work, about the analytics that you've made, basically like a dashboard as you can see right in front of us. Now, sometimes this dashboard can cause issues and problems to your company. Maybe you have determined your objective. Maybe you have done a lot of strategies depending on your dashboard, but you discovered that this dashboard has made a problem, or basically the results and calculations that this dashboard has shown you are totally wrong, which cause you to lose money in your enterprise, in your business, or whatever thing you are doing. In this case, of course, you are not the reason why you lost money. Power BI is the reason why you lost money. Now, there is two solutions. Either to sue them directly, which is by going to court with all screenshots and evidence that you have about this Power BI incident, or you simply could literally simply just go to the support team and provide them with everything. The support team can somehow like give you a compensation or basically give you a reward, or you can at the same time go to the government side of your country and give them everything, every evidence that you have, and let the judge do its work. So this is how you can literally sue them. So thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next video.